Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. No, I'm Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome. Okay. I'm gonna tell you Zina. No, really. You go. If I ain't banya tata mbochume, nke ndị bekee kpọ consonants, okay? So we're going to look at consonants, Igbo consonants. But before we delve into what we have for today, as usual, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Inugo, ngwan, kaigawan niru. So let's start. Ball. Banye. Chi. Cheta. Chere. Danye. Detuo. De. Fi. Photo. Gi. Gbanye. Agha. Gworo. Hapụ. Ji. Jere. Ki. Nkịta. Kpi. Kpakpando. Kpi. Kwi. Okwukwe. Liri. Mi. Mmiri. Ni. Nne. Ngi. Nwụrụ. Ngi. Nwe. Nwanyị. Nye. Chinenye. Pi. Pụta. Rituo. Sie. Shi. Ọsha. Ti. Tupu. Vi. Wetuo. Maọbụ wepụ, 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 yi, ya, ya, z, z, zụrụ, zụrụ, zụrụ. So these are the consonants we have in our Igbo alphabet, okay? In order to master this, stop this video and replay as many times as possible, okay? Yes. If you have questions or concerns you would like me to attend to, don't forget to drop them in the comment section and I'll gladly do that, okay? Ngwa ka ọ dị n'oge ọzọ na nke a ka ya apịachi akwụkwọ nke taa. Aba m ka bụkwa Ngozika. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so when next I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay? Bye.